So here we've got the thorax, and you can see the heart with the coronary arteries and all the great vessels in the neck at the top end. Here is the sheet of the muscular part of the diaphragm, dividing the thorax above from the abdomen contents below. And if we look on this side, just below the diaphragm, you can see a large liver and a gallbladder sticking out from under the liver. Then it's obvious that there's a huge bag here that's got a hole cut in it. Well, that bag is in fact the stomach. And we've cut a little hole in the anterior wall of the stomach. And then there's something rather unusual here, which is this sheet of almost, it is actually plastinated, but even in the human that's non-plastinated, it looks like a plastic sheet that hangs over the bowel, and this is called the greater omentum. And it's known as the policeman of the abdomen, because wherever there are problems, this cordons off the problems. And then underneath that, you can see the coils of small bowel in the middle, and round the outside, here is part of it, you can see the large bowel, and right at the bottom of this dissection, you can see the very muscular urinary bladder, which I will then go over and show you where it connects up posteriorly on this specimen. So there's the urinary bladder. If I turn the specimen over, we can see from the posterior view, here is the lungs, here's the aorta, here's the diaphragm. These are the kidneys with the ureters, and if we follow down from the kidney, follow the ureter, we eventually get down to the bladder, which is down here at the bottom. Sitting behind the bladder is the rectum, and there's the rectum. And here are the great vessels that lie in the posterior abdominal wall, the aorta and the inferior vena cava. So on this dissection, we can see not only the vessels going to the bowel, but we can see the complete urinary system, the vascular system, the diaphragm, and above the diaphragm, the lungs. Beautiful little dissection has also been done into the inside part here of the colon, so we can see the shape and arrangement of the musculature in the colon.